In a world driven by innovation, one company stands out for its dedication to excellence in packaging solutions. Welcome to Sunflex Laminators, where our dedication to excellence shapes every packaging solution. For years, Sunflex Laminators has been at the forefront of the flexible packaging industry, renowned for our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. From food and beverages to personal care, retail to agriculture and chemicals, and pharmaceuticals, we serve diverse sectors with packaging solutions that ensure product safety, durability, and sustainability. Our extensive product range includes stand-up pouches, gusset pouches, and three-side seal pouches. We also offer flat-bottom pouches, sachet pouches, and vacuum pouches, each designed to meet the specific needs of our clients. Whether it's zipper pouches, foil pouches, center seal pouches, or side gusset pouches, our products are crafted with precision and quality. We also provide printed and laminated rolls for FFS machines, catering to the highest industry standards. Here's a glimpse of our vibrant exhibitions and the positive relationships we've built with our clients. Partner with Sunflex Laminators for innovative packaging solutions tailored to your unique needs. Together, let's redefine what's possible. Sunflex Laminators, packaging innovation delivered.